Hi guys, today I will be showing you how to get back a pic that you deleted on Instagram. First, you'll need to click on the three lines up in the right corner and go on your settings and go on your account, and now you'll need to select recently deleted, and now you'll see all your deleted pics in the last 30 days. Well, I deleted my cat picture today and I'll restore it. So you'll need to click on the three little dots right here and click restore. Make sure to not click delete it, because if you click delete it, the pic will be deleted forever. So click on restore, and now go see on your account. Just refresh it, and here we go. The pic is still there. Thanks for listening, and if you would like to learn more tricks like that, please subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next video.